Well friends, here is the problem number 73. Yes, of course, I will read the given direction before moving to the problem. The direction is, in the questions given, how a sheet of paper is folded and punched is shown by figures. Okay, if the paper is unfolded, how does it appear? Select the correct answer from among the alternatives given. So here they have given the figure. This shows how the given paper is folded. This arrow shows that this circle is folded like this. Okay, here I am having a circle. This is on paper and the direction is shown like this. That means this is folded like this and this will appear like this. After folding, this will appear like this. And then in the next figure, they show upside arrow. Okay, upside arrow like this. This means this portion is folded like this. And then the given figure becomes like this. Okay. The given figure appears like this. Now, and they punched like this. The shape is punched. The folded paper is punched in this design. Okay. In this design, the folded paper is punched. Now, if you unfold this, then how this will appear? And in the same, they have given 4 options and we have to select one of the correct. So in this folded paper, they punch it like this. This may be any other design also. When the paper is folded, how many times it is folded? 1 time, 2 times. That means in the 1 time the paper folded, then that paper gives you 2 layers. Okay, 2 layers. When you punch a hole in 2 layers, that hole will appear in both the layers. When you unfold it, the hole you punched in that folded paper will appear at both the layers. Okay, now this is folded 2 times. First like this and then like this. So then how many layers becomes there? 2 layers in the first fold and then extra 2 layers in the next fold. That means total 4 layers. And if you punch a hole or the design like this in that folded paper, that will appear how many times? One layer, 1 time fold, it will give you 2 layers. And if you punch a hole in that hole appear 2 times. Okay, when you unfold that hole will appear 2 times. In this case, the paper is folded 2 times and that becomes 4 layers. And when that paper is unfolded, then how many holes will appear? Yes, there are total 4 holes will appear in that unfolded paper. Using this idea, I can eliminate some of the options. So you can eliminate second and third options. In the second option, I am having only 2 holes. But I should get 4 holes. 4 holes. Now in the third option, I am having only 1 hole. So these 2 options are wrong. Okay. Now coming to first and last option. If you see or if you observe carefully, the first option, if you see these holes are very close to each other. Okay, there is very narrow space between those holes. But in the fourth option, the space is little bit more compared to first option. And if you see the punch that has been made in the folded paper, there is exact space which is present in the fourth option. But when you see in the first option, the space between the holes is very, very less. So this option is a wrong option. The first option is a wrong option because the space between the holes is very less, which is not seen in the given figure. So we left with only last option, and the last option is the correct option. So this is the right option. So this is how we solve this example. The important point is the careful observation of folding the paper and how many layers we are getting after folding of that paper. Okay, this is very important. Using this point, we can eliminate the given options and finally come to correct option. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.